Authorities in Manipur successfully recovered a substantial catch of arms and explosives from the Bishnupur and Imphal West district as reported in a police statement released on Friday. The operations in the Uyung Makong, Bishnupur district yielded an extensive collection of weaponry, including a SLR 7.62 mm rifle, 1 magazine, 6 HE-36 grenades, 4 grenade armed rings, 2 tear gas grenades, 3 Stingers grenade, 5 dual cells, and 2 WT sets Bofeng. Additionally, authorities discovered an improvised explosive device (IED) weighing approximately 2.3 kg alongside 4 HE-36 grenades detonators. Simultaneously, in Santipur Makhalikai, located in Imphal West district, officials confiscated a single battle gun, 2 locally made 9 mm pistol complete with magazines, an empty 7.62 LMG magazine, 3 M67 hand grenades with detonators, a tube launcher, and 4 rounds of live ammunition. The recovered arms and explosives have been handed over to the appropriate police stations for further investigation and necessary action.